Got the Banshee bike going, finally. The cradle's done, the rear motor mount's done. I got to build a mount later today for the torsion bars, which are the lower motor mount. They really just keep it from twisting. But anyway, I got to build those. But the motor's where it needs to be, solid, it's in place. Got the wheels in place, brakes in place. Everything's on there. Put the subframe back on so we can put the body on and see what it looks like. Let's see. Everything that's silver, so swing arm, subframe, chassis. I'm going to do the fairing stays, handlebar clamps, triple clamps, cradle. Don't know if I said that already. All that's going to be cyan cement in color. It's kind of a primer gray looking with a hint of blue to it. So at a glance, the bike should hopefully still look somewhat factory, but a little bit closer up, it'll look more custom. And then I'm going to keep the Yamaha blue. These number plate type things are going to be black. And then I'm going to go with the old school looking Yamaha checkerboard pattern, or the squares, or whatever you want to call it. So the squares will be black, the background will be that cement gray in color going across, and then around the black I use that day glow yellow, so there should just be a hint of day glow in places, kind of accent color. Fly screen from here down will be black still. I'm going to keep that black, but from here up it'll be Yamaha blue. Still haven't decided if I'm going to go with one of those Trail Tech Vapor computers or a analog tack. I'd prefer an analog tack, but I'm not really seeing anything I like yet. Let's see. So there, I should be able to see the rear motor mount. Uses the pivot for the swing arm. Goes through there. There's a sleeve, a couple of bushings, and then I welded that 1/4-inch steel plate to it, bent it, cut it, sanded it down, so it can go through there, hold the rear of the motor in place. Cradle mostly done. I'm going to put a little rear support on it just to keep it strong. Add a little bit of extra material there, and then got to build the torsion bar mounts, as I said. Let's see. There's the front brake. It's nice and big. That's kind of cool looking with the, you can see the air filters through there. Probably won't be able to see them quite as well when it's all said and done, but whatever. Gonna work on building a battery tray and try to fix it as low as possible, but I don't want to be able to see it, so we'll see where that ends up. Gotta put the ignition in. Working on the gas tank. See it there. The gas tank plate. I need to drill a hole in it, put the petcock through there. So that's still on the agenda. I think I'm going to powder coat the carbs as well. Take them apart, powder coat them black, maybe put a few blue accents on them. But from the side, they just kind of stand out with all this black here. Don't know, we'll see. Kickstarter, going to have to do something with that. I have a few ideas in mind. But basically the problem is when it comes back, it's going to hit the foot peg. I'm probably going to flip the foot peg brackets around, which will move this down a little bit, not far, but down and forward a touch, so it'll help. And then I'm probably just going to have to bite the bullet, have a machine shop make a new Kickstarter that fits this radius better and stays more forward, so I can twist that mount there forward, so it'll be using up less rear travel. Or I'll just build a bracket going up to here, and then I'll have like a Briggs & Stratton pull start on it and just pull start it like a lawnmower. Or maybe I'll start it with a drill, or I'll possibly just bump start it, but I'll get it started somehow, so we'll see how that goes. So that's where we stand right now. Looks kind of cool. I don't know, I'm biased though. So hopefully it should be fast, should be fun. And we'll see how it progresses.